Welcome to the e-Yantra Robotics Competition 2026. For over 14 years, almost 270,000 students have learned how to think, build and innovate like engineers. This year, you choose your adventure. Autonomous drones, self-driving vehicles, self-balancing bots, teams of robots working together, chip and CPU design. Each theme is inspired by a real-world challenge, and each theme tests your creativity, your perseverance, and your engineering skills. Whether you're taking your first step or pushing the limits of what you can do, there's an engineering challenge waiting for you with e-Yantra. Compete for cash prizes, a transformational 8-week internship at IIT Bombay, and above all, the confidence to build technology that matters. Registrations open 1st of August 2026 at portal.e-yantra.org. Don't miss the early bird offers. Form a team of 2 to 4 and choose your challenge. So join us to engineer a better tomorrow.